Hello everyone. Welcome to the RS Computer Solutions channel. In this video, we will share how to install Android 17 on Windows, whether you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11, easily. For those of you who want to run Android apps or games on your laptop or PC, in this video we will show you how to install the latest Android version, Android 17, on Windows 11 or Windows 10 very easily. You can also install previous versions such as Android 16, Android 15, or earlier versions as well. Without wasting any more time, let's start the tutorial. First, open your browser and type Android Studio, then press Enter. After that, open the top result from developer.android.com. Once you are on their website, simply download Android Studio. Scroll down, check the agreement box, and click Download. The file size is around 1.3 gigabytes. Before installing Android Studio, make sure Virtualization is enabled on your Windows system. To do that, open the Start menu. Type Features. Select Turn Windows Features on or off. Then scroll down and enable Virtual Machine Platform, Windows Hypervisor Platform. After that, click OK. Wait for the activation process to complete. Once finished, click Restart Now to restart your laptop or PC. After restarting, install Android Studio by double-clicking the installer file. Then, click Next. Click Next again. Click Install. Now wait until the installation process is completed. Once installation is finished, click Next. Click Finish to launch Android Studio. If a pop-up appears, simply click Don't Send. Now Android Studio setup will begin. Click Next. Choose Standard Installation Type. Click Next again. You can choose the directory for saving the Android SDK, but we will use the default location. Click Next. OK. Next again. Accept. Android Studio will now download several required components. Wait until all downloads are completed. After everything is downloaded, click Yes, click Finish. Now maximize the Android Studio window. The next step is click More Actions. Select SDK Manager. Here you can choose which Android version you want to install. You can install Android 15, Android 16, Android 17. In this video, we will install Android 17. Select Android 17, then click Apply and OK. Now wait until the downloading process finishes. After the download is completed, click Finish, click OK. Next, click More Actions again, select Virtual Device Manager. Here click the plus symbol, icon. If Windows asks for permission, click Allow. Then select Create Virtual Device. Here you can choose the device type: phone, tablet, Wear OS, desktop, TV XR. In this tutorial, we will use a tablet device, specifically the Pixel tablet. Click Next. Now you can rename the virtual device. For example, we will name it Pixel. For the API version, select Android 17. For services, choose the version with Google Play Store support. Then click Finish, Yes. Now Android Studio will start downloading additional components. The size is quite large, around 2 gigabytes. Wait until the download is completed. After all components are installed, click Finish. Now the Android 17 virtual device has been created successfully. You can also customize the virtual device settings. Click the three-dot menu on the top right and select Edit. Under Additional Settings, you can configure device skin, front camera, network settings, CPU allocation, RAM size, VM heap size. For example, set CPU to 4 cores, increase RAM to 4 GB. After that, click Finish. To start Android 17, simply click the play button. Wait for the virtual device to boot up. And this is the Android 17 interface successfully installed on Windows. You can see the tablet frame because we enabled the tablet skin. Since we are using the tablet version, the interface looks similar to a real Android tablet. Pre-installed apps include Gmail, Google Chrome, YouTube, Play Store. Now let's open the Play Store and log in. After signing in, you can directly download and install Android apps or games on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC. Simply install any app or game you want and start using Android on your Windows computer. So that was our tutorial on how to install Android 17 on a Windows laptop using Android Studio. I hope this video is helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share this video on your social media, so more people can benefit from this channel. See you in the next video.